Now at 6, for the first time, we're getting a look at school vaccine rates.
The report from Connecticut health officials shows a growing number of students is not vaccinated.
Chief Capitol reporter Susan Raff is live in Haddam now with some reaction for us. Susan.
Denise, Haddam Elementary is not on the top of the list as far as exemptions from vaccines go, but parents here were surprised to see that the numbers were as high as they are. Now, some schools are disputing these numbers, but it does raise some concern.
People are going to do what they want to do in the end, and it's going to affect everybody else, unfortunately.
Haddam parents suspected some children at the elementary school may not have been vaccinated, but didn't know it was close to 20%. Connecticut is now following several other states by releasing a list of vaccination rates at individual schools.
The way we used to release the data by county just isn't good enough anymore. It doesn't give people the detail that they need to make decisions about their own communities.
Recent measles outbreaks has caused some concern. In New York City, a public health emergency was declared and the mayor ordered vaccinations. Connecticut's situation is far from a crisis, but state health officials are concerned. While the CDC recommends 95%, 108 Connecticut schools may be below that. Schools with the highest exemptions include Reading Elementary, Housatonic Valley, Giant Steps in Southbury, Crossway Christian Academy in Putnam, and Prospect Elementary, although Reading says the numbers are wrong.
We don't feel there's any necessary state interest in order to do that, and we feel it'll create an environment of harassment.
Debate over vaccinations has intensified. Those against vaccines don't like the list or current legislation, which reminds school nurses they don't have to sign off on religious exemptions. State lawmakers said today that there may be some issues with these numbers, and what they're going to do is work with the health department to try and see that is resolved. However, they do feel that this is an issue and something needs to be done about it. And doctors that we spoke to say the most important thing, or the thing that they're most concerned about, is that children who have medical and health conditions, and if they are not vaccinated, they are the most at risk. For now, we're live in Haddam. Susan Raff, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.